Dechreuais I chwarae pêl-droed pam ni'n 5 mlwydd oed yn y stryd gyda'r bechgyn oedd yn byw yn yr un ardal.
Dechreuais I chwarae pêl-droed gyda tîm bechgyn achos oedd brawd fi a dad yn hyfforddi. So, wyn i'n na jyst yn watcho. So, ni'n meddwl man just rhaid yn mewn a cael go.
Dwi'n ddim llawer o ferched roedd yn chwarae, so roedd o'n sialens a roedd o'n gwythio ni fod yn gwell na nhw.
Mae loads o merched yn chwarae pêl-droed nawr. Sy'n fel 1 neu 2, mae loads o'n i'n chwarae. A mae jyst yn neis gael bod merched dal yn gallu gwneud pethau mae bechgyn yn neud. Maen nhw'n cael trin ar un peth nawr. Mae'n neis.
The player pool is growing. It's still nowhere near the level that, the nations that we're playing against. It's a very small percentage in comparison to what their player pools are, but it is growing.
A phwy gwell na reolwr y tîm cyntaf I roi bach o arweiniaeth i'r merched.
Mae ffordd I hi'n rili dda. Ffordd mae hi, obviously, yn rili broffesiynol fyd, a mae'n rhywbeth off rhan ni fel chwaraewyr.
I cael y profiad o cael ein hyfforddi gan rhywun sy'n mor uchel yn y gêm, mae'n anhygoel.
Chi'n gweld merched y tîm cynta, maen nhw wedi bod trwy'r un system a chi. Mae hwnna'n siŵr o fod yn lot o ysbrydoliaeth bod chi'n gallu wario I Gymru hefyd.
Fi'n teimlo fel bod fi edrych arno nhw fel trial anelu a ble maen nhw wedi cyrraedd.
Dwi'n credu gyda'r tîm proffesiynol bod nhw'n gwneud yn dda nawr gyda'r Euros yn dod lan. Mae mwy o merched yn cael ei ysbrydoli gyda'r safon, felly mae mwy eisiau ymuno'r gêm.
But the whole culture we set here with this age group of seniors is about growth, it's about us progressing, it's about each time we step on the pitch being better than the last time, and if we can, it will give us a great opportunity to progress. It's a learning environment, this competition, they're going in now against 3 very good level teams, and it is about them as individuals stepping on the pitch and learning and becoming a better player, whether that's, something they've learned tactically or whether it's just the physical competition side of it. So for us, it's about putting them on the pitch against a different level that they will be used to and seeing if they can respond and enjoy that environment. When you think of the 17s players who come into our cohort and obviously they step through 19s and into seniors, at times with our stronger players they'll jump a level and they'll miss out the 19s because the player pool is small. If they're showing they have the mental capacity and the physical capacity to compete at senior level for us, then they'll be in that squad.
Ac un chwaraewr sydd wedi gwneud y cam I fyny i'r tîm cyntaf yw Carrie Jones.
Dwi'n methu disgrifio, roedd yn mor anhygoel. I chwarae Cymru, mae jyst yn teimlad gwych a I gwisgo'r badge hefyd, mae jyst yn anhygoel.
Ble bydde Carrie Jones moyn bod mewn 5 mlynedd?
Hoffwn I dod yn pro a cael contract ac yna hoffwn I cael fwy o starts I Cymru.